Peridot. For centuries, gemstones have been renowned for their energetic, mystical, and healing properties. Many ancient civilizations worshipped them, believing the natural wonders of the world to be reflected in their dazzling brilliance, and imagining that they had the power to convey to the owner the energy, strength, and passion of these elemental forces. The brilliant deep green gemstone peridot has long been recognized as one of the most unique members of the gemstones family, celebrated since the time of the ancient Egyptians due to its otherworldly color and radiance. Peridot was nicknamed the gem of the sun and is often associated with the properties of renewal and energy that the sun brings. Today, a gemstone remains a precious object and an invaluable gift bestowed on family or friends. As luxury jewelry, the gorgeous earthy green hues of peridot look captivating when set against gold in pendants or rings. Peridot crystals are also a popular way of brightening up and bringing positive energy into your home. The peridot stone is one of the oldest known gemstones, beloved by the ancient Romans and Egyptians and mentioned throughout the Bible, otherwise known as the emerald of the night due to its glow that never fades. It is also remarkable for its deep, verdant shades of green, which can range from a pale absinthe to dark moss. It is known as the stone of compassion and is said to calm anger by harmonizing the mind and the body. Peridot is the only gemstone that comes in just one unique color. Although most well known for its brilliant transparent green hues, its shade can vary widely depending on its source. Northeast China produces some of the finest peridot stone in the world, which is a rich bottle green color with the occasional pop of lime. Other varieties are lighter in color, with hues ranging from a cool apple to olive green with subtle golden undertones. Thanks for watching.